Is your iMac 21.5-inch refusing to power on? Experiencing random shutdowns or a dreaded black screen? It might be time to consider replacing the power supply board. Today, we're looking at the Noctuon 185W power supply board, specifically designed as a replacement for iMac 21.5-inch models A1418 from late 2012 to mid-2017, and the A2116 from 2019. This power supply board aims to breathe new life into your iMac if the original has failed. The manufacturer suggests it can resolve issues like a computer not turning on at all, a burned-out power supply, or those frustrating random shutdowns. It's designed to be a direct replacement, potentially saving you from having to buy a whole new computer. Compatibility is key, and this board is specifically made for a range of iMac 21.5-inch models. It covers a 1418 model from late 2012 all the way through mid-2017, including iMac 13, 1, iMac 14, 3, iMac 14, 4, iMac 16, 1, iMac 16, 2, iMac 18, 1, and iMac 18, 2. It also supports the A2116 model from early 2019, specifically the iMac 19, 2. It's crucial to check your iMac's model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. The identifying numbers for this power supply board include APN numbers 661, 7512, 661, 08259, and 661, 7111, as well as PPN number 02-6712-6700, APA007, and ADP-185BF. Having these numbers on hand can help you double-check that you're getting the correct replacement part. Now, for a word of caution, replacing a power supply board isn't a simple task. The manufacturer explicitly states that this isn't a job for someone without technical skills in disassembling and assembling laptops or computers. If you're not comfortable with this type of repair, it's best to seek professional assistance. Incorrect installation could potentially damage your iMac further. Before you click that Buy button, take a close look at the product description and the provided pictures. Verify your iMac's year and part number to guarantee you're ordering the right component. If you're uncertain about your computer model, reaching out to the seller with your model number and pictures is a smart move. They can help confirm compatibility and prevent you from ordering the wrong part. In conclusion, the Noctuon 185W power supply board offers a potential solution for iMac 21.5-inch owners facing power-related issues. However, it's essential to ensure compatibility with your specific iMac model and to have the necessary technical skills or professional help for installation. With careful consideration and the right approach, this replacement board could bring your iMac back to life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.